There's Jonathan.
He goes, just put him there.
Yeah, put him there.
This is Steve.
Yeah, this is Steve. Oh. Whoa.
He's fine, he's fine.
Oh! There it is. That's how Stranger Things ends.